What's up, Mavericks? If you've ever chased down receipts, reimbursed an employee 3 weeks late, or wondered where your budget went, you already know how messy expense management can be. But here's the good news. Today's expense tools do a lot more than just track spending. We're talking full financial platforms with corporate cards, real-time controls, automation, and complete visibility across your entire team. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best expense management platforms based on real-world usability, features, and who each tool is actually best for, so let's dive right into it. First up is Expensify, one of the most recognizable names in expense reporting. Expensify is best for teams that just need clean, straightforward expense tracking without added complexity. At its core, Expensify focuses on receipt capture, reimbursements, corporate card syncing, and easy expense reports. Employees snap a photo of a receipt, the platform pulls the details automatically, and managers can approve and reimburse in just a few clicks. Global reimbursements make it easy to pay employees and contractors in their local currency. You also get smart fraud detection, mileage tracking, per diem support, plus automatic categorization and real-time policy enforcement. There are also over 45 integrations with popular tools like QuickBooks Online, Xero, NetSuite, and Gusto. Expensify is a great choice if your business is travel heavy or you reimburse employees often. It's best for small teams that want basic expense reporting without needing a full financial control system. As for pricing, a free plan is available for basic receipt scanning, sending and receiving money, and chat. For business level approvals, integrations, and corporate card features, you will need a paid plan. Next up at number 4 is Bill, Spend, and Expense, formerly known as Divvy. This platform is a strong fit for small businesses that want corporate cards and expense tracking without jumping into enterprise level complexity or pricing. Bill combines expense management, budgeting, and company cards into one clean, easy to manage system. You can issue physical and virtual cards, assign budgets by team, department, or project, and see spending updates in real time. Bill automatically blocks transactions that would put a team over budget before the purchase even goes through. Managers can pause cards instantly, adjust limits on the fly, and stay aligned with company policies without micromanaging purchases. It also connects directly with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks, which helps streamline reconciliation and month-end close. On the payment side, Bill makes it easy to track card spend, reimburse employees, and keep budgets in control. Bill, Spend, and Expense is a great option if you're running a lean operation and just want better visibility into spending. You'll also love it if you want to avoid complicated setup, long contracts, and high platform fees. Bill offers a free core plan with paid options that unlock more advanced controls, integrations, and scaling features as your business grows. At number 3 is Brex, which is built for speed, scale, and flexibility. Brex is best for startups and fast-growing companies that need advanced expense management without slowing down operations. Brex combines corporate cards, expense tracking, reimbursements, bill pay, and cash management in one connected platform. You can issue cards to employees instantly, build custom spending policies, automate approvals, and sync everything directly with your accounting system. It's also designed for modern teams with support for global spending, multi-entity businesses, and distributed workforces. That makes it especially useful for companies expanding across states or countries. Brex also includes built-in automation that reduces manual expense reports and helps teams stay compliant without a lot of back and forth. It even handles travel booking and vendor payments inside the same platform. Brex is a strong choice for teams that are scaling fast or managing more complex spending. Brex offers a free plan for core card and expense management with paid options for more advanced automation and financial operations. All right, let's pause for a minute before we get into our top 2. If you want a breakdown of any of these platforms, including hands-on testing, pricing details, and real pros and cons, we've got full reviews at merchantmaverick.com. I dropped those links in the description so you can compare everything side by side and figure out which one actually makes sense for your business. Now back to our top picks. Coming in at number 2 is Row, and this one stands out because it goes way beyond basic expense management. Row is best for businesses that want banking, spending, and back office finance operations all under one roof. Row brings together corporate cards, expense tracking, bill pay, AP automation, and business banking into one unified platform. That means you're not just tracking spend, you're managing how money moves through your entire business. You can issue employee cards, control spending in real time, automate vendor payments, and sync everything directly with your accounting software. Add in Row's checking and savings accounts, and you can manage daily operations, expenses, and cash management within the same dashboard. For finance teams, this this creates a stronger visibility and fewer disconnects between spending and actual cash flow. Row is ideal for businesses that are outgrowing basic expense tools and want a more stabilized financial infrastructure without stitching together multiple platforms. Row doesn't charge monthly subscription fees for its core platform, which makes it a strong value for growing businesses. And although Row ditches most of the fees you find with banks and other fintechs, some fees like foreign exchange fees for non-US currencies will definitely apply. All right, and taking the number one spot is Ramp. Ramp doesn't just track spending, it actively reduces wasted spending. Ramp is best for companies that want maximum visibility, tight controls, and smart automation. Ramp combines corporate cards, real-time expense tracking, automated receipt matching, bill payments, and advanced spend controls into a single platform. You can set detailed rules around where money can be spent, who can spend it, and how much they can use, all in real time. One of Ramp's biggest strengths is its automation. Receipts are matched automatically, expense reports build themselves, and finance teams spend far less time chasing down missing documentation. Ramp also includes built-in insights to help businesses identify unused subscriptions, duplicate vendors, and unnecessary expenses. Ramp is the best choice for businesses that want tight spending controls, real-time visibility, and automation that helps cut costs. Ramp offers a free core platform, so there's no added monthly software bill for most businesses. And if you want more features and automations, an affordable paid plan is also available. So those are the 5 best expense management platforms. Whether you need something simple like Expensify, a platform that's startup ready like Brex, or an automated platform that helps you save like Ramp. And before you choose, don't forget to check out our full reviews at merchantmaverick.com to find the right platform for your business. Remember, controlling your expenses isn't about spending less, it's about spending smarter. So thanks for watching, Mavericks. I'll see you in the next one.